Hey everybody, welcome back to Spare Time. This video will be the start of a new Spider-Man suit series. All you're going to need for this series is some thread, pencils, pens, scissors, tissue paper, and about 4 yards red stretch fabric, blue stretch fabric, and just some black fabric for the lenses and or the spider symbol. Anyway, this is the suit. It's not done yet, but it's more done than it is in the video. We'll be getting along with the video and the rest of the parts, so stay tuned, subscribe to see more. And I sped the video up for your viewing convenience, so enjoy.
An easy way to make the pants pattern is to take some pants that you have that fit you well enough, and to trace around them in the pattern and make sure you get really close to the edges of the pants. Right there is the full pants pattern. One leg right there is a line down the middle. That's going to be used later. The boot I just traced over and cut out, because I'm going to be doing that in a separate video. And right there, that's without the boot, and you're going to want to cut it in half, like that, and put it onto your pattern and cut it down in fourths. Right here I'm doing the normal way of how I made a shirt pattern, that is to say I took the round measurements of my body and placed them where they would be represented on the center line. And then I figured out that there was an even easier method of making the shirt pattern that's a lot less time consuming. The tank top I used was also a good marker for where to put the sleeve hole, as well as the neck curve and the shoulders. So right here is the sleeve hole, and then right here this would be the neck curve, or the hole for the neck. And then these straight lines in the very top are going to be the ones that connect to the shoulders. So now that we have one half of the shirt pattern done, we're going to be drawing the lines that'll represent the red parts of the fabric, so we can cut those away and cut them out of red, as you can see right here. And if you look at a Spider-Man picture, you can kind of guess what we're doing here. Over here by the sleeve hole, towards the bottom of the screen, is going to be the back shoulder area, and over by the top of the screen is going to be the chest area. And then towards the rightmost side of the screen is where the belt would be, so that's the red parts of the fabric. Here I give you a better idea for what I mean about the separated lines between the red and the blue patterns, right there. Now that all the pieces are separated and put back together, I'm hoping you can get a better idea for what I'm talking about. Next I put the chest piece down onto the red fabric and I cut it out, like so. Then I folded the red pattern over on itself to make a mirrored edge. This is the shirt pattern we're working with, and I'll show you how to sew it together and how to cut out the rest of the pieces in another video.